Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Isomac Milano espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a bit of work since we had to go back over here in the boiler and drill an elbow out of the boiler. It was completely stuck in there and it was almost fused to the boiler itself. But we were able to remove it, install a newer one, and then give this machine a tune-up. While we were doing the tune-up and descaling the machine, we had these panels completely off to make sure that there were no leaks in the boiler or any parts of the machine. And once we did the descaling and service the brew unit, we put it back. The E61 group head, we put it back all together and then we tested as well. So now we're going to be testing on camera, starting with one shot of espresso. Hopefully I pick up the right grind series on this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. A little bit on the faster side, probably needed to temper a little bit more harder and probably put a bit more coffee. But even though, we still got a nice cup of coffee, a little bit of crema on the top. And as you can see, yeah, I definitely need to put a little bit extra coffee to get that extra crema on that shot. As you can see, we have a nice steady stream coming out of the group head. Excellent temperature, working great. Steam of this machine. As you can see, nice and strong, excellent temperature as well, working great. And hot water as well coming out of the machine, working perfectly. So there you have it, Isomac Milano working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.